What's up? Dunks the Gamer here. Today I'm going to be just showing you my new dirt bike, the Razor mx650. I just got it yesterday and I started riding it today and it's just super good. It's awesome. It goes super fast. It goes 17 miles an hour, I think. The only thing is that I just want to say is that for safety of this thing is do not leave the power switch on. It's over on this side. We just come. Do not leave this power switch on when you're charging. I am not charging right now, so currently it's on. And also, do not what was I trying to say? Do not just try to crash it. So I think you guys probably know that. So I guess here, let me just show you how fast this thing is. I'm gonna just do a little ride. I keep saying it's super hard to get. This thing just jumps really fast. So I'm going to start it from over there, so now come down just like these guys. See how fast it is? Just make sure there's no traffic. There we go. That was really fast. Like I did say, it was go 17 miles an hour. So yeah, that just wanted to show you guys really quick how to just ride it. You know, do different stuff. I will be doing kind of like I'll show my new helmet that is coming either today or tomorrow. And yeah, so just don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.